Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to create highly realistic, fully customizable YouTube comments instantly. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the YouTube comment generator tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, as you can see, you have a complete comment settings control panel. At the top, you can set the username, timestamp, likes count, and replies count to whatever numbers you'd like. In the comment text box, type the exact message you want to display. On the right, you can click the Upload Image button to upload a custom profile picture. Under Features and Badges, you can check various boxes to toggle realistic details like a verified badge, pin status, edited tag, liked icon, creator heart, or toggle the Show Replies preview line. You can also flip the dark mode toggle switch if you want to generate a dark theme comment mockup. As you adjust these settings, the tool automatically updates a live preview right below, showing you exactly how your comment will look on YouTube. Once your custom comment looks perfect, choose your preferred file format like JPG from the drop-down, and click the red Download Image button to save your high-resolution comment graphic straight to your device.